Today I'll be showing you how to disinfect and clean out your jetted tub. So when cleaning, you're going to want to check the instructions for your own jetted tub. Ours is a MAAX, MAAX. First thing we're going to do is fill up the tub about 2 inches above the jets with really hot water. Now that the tub is about a couple inches above the jets, I'm going to add about 2 cups of vinegar. Then I'm going to run the jets for about 20 minutes. Okay, so now we're going to turn off the jets. You can see how gross the water is. We're now going to drain the tub, and then we're going to rinse with cold water. Now we'll rinse with cold water. So you'll get your paste and you'll scrub each of the different jets. Unfortunately, this isn't even my tub, so it's kind of gross. Try to get in all the crevices that you can. You may even need to get something a little bit smaller just to wipe the inside, just along the edge. You'll want to lift the jet around or move it around so that you can get all the edges. After we have scrubbed out all the jets, we are going to fill it up with hot water, and we're going to do one final clean of the jets. We're going to add 2 cups of dishwasher powder. So we're going to fill the tub up with really hot water so that it goes above the jet. While it's filling up, I'm going to continue to scrub. We're going to rinse these and drain out all this nasty gunk. Now that it's filled with hot water 2 inches above the jets, we will add the powder. Go ahead and add the dishwasher detergent, the powder. And then we'll push the button. Let the jets run. We will let this run for 10 minutes. Okay, we let the water run for about 10 minutes. You can see it's super gross. So now we're going to rinse. Really gross. Just let it drain for a minute. Once we've rinsed down all the nasty stuff, we're going to fill it up again and run the jets one more time. So we ran it one more time. It's not as bad, but we're going to drain it and just run it once again. You can see there's still some gross stuff in our tub. We're going to want to keep running the jets until there are no more flakes coming out.